Hi. It's time to dive into elision. Again, elision happens when some sounds or letters are not pronounced. These may be a vowel, consonant, or even a whole syllable, and elision usually happens with unstressed sounds. There are no fixed rules for elision, it's more of a natural tendency in spoken English. The most common cases of elision include the following. 1. Contractions. Contractions are shortened forms of words or phrases. In writing, an apostrophe shows where sounds have been left out. Examples: we're, we are, they've, they have, whose, who is, shouldn't, should not, theirs, there is, y'all, you all. The apostrophe marks the missing sounds in each case. Practice this. Listen to native speakers through movies or shows. Observe this guideline. When you are ready, go to the next video for elision of
t,
and
d.